Welcome. So today I'll go over unboxing of the Garmin watch Forerunner 955. So let's just get straight to it. So there we go, that's all we get in the box, and there's the watch itself. So it does have backlighting on it and paper ink display, and one neat feature that I found on here, which isn't necessarily a case for most of the smartwatches, is the fact that I can actually set it up without a phone. Who would have thought that a smartwatch is smart enough to not need a phone? So what you just need to do is simply select if you want to pair with the phone. No. And there you go. You can pair it later from settings if you want to. I'm just gonna quickly go through it so you can see how this looks like. And there we go. So now, as you obviously can see, it's also a touch display right here, which is pretty neat. Though one thing that I'll mention, the actual display is a little bit lower than the actual like glass of it that you press. So yeah. But anyway, there we go. That's basically the watch. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.